honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, a few days ago I did a first look at my iKitch ice maker. And within 30 minutes after making my video, they were sold out. So I put another one that's very much like this one in my description box. I put a link to it. But anyway, I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, it's made about 3 batches of ice already this morning. So I'm going to take this off and show y'all down inside of it. Okay, got this much ice made. And I'm trying to show y'all the workings of it. I'll wait when some more ice is about to drop. But anyway, this is what I do. I scoop up the ice into one of my vacuum sealer bags. And then I twist it closed and put one of these clips on it. And put it in the freezer. So I always got me some ice. I'm waiting for the ice to drop so I can show y'all all up in there. And this ice maker, it will not store your ice cubes because it's not a freezer. It makes ice. So you have to take your ice out and put it in your freezer or just use it right away. Else it's going to melt and just continue to make ice from the ice that melted, from the water that melted, okay? I want to catch it at the right time when it's dropping the ice, and it drops ice, 9 ice bullet-shaped ice cubes about every 8 to 9 minutes. And I have it attached to an extension cord, so it might make them faster if it was plugged right into the outlet. You're not supposed to use an extension cord, but that's what I'm using. And they tell you not to put any other liquid in here, even though you may be tempted to put tea, lemonade, coffee, even wine. They say don't put nothing else in there but water. So I use bottled water. Just any bottled water. And it's best if your water is cold to start with. But mine is just sitting here in this room temperature. I'm trying to catch this ice as it drops so y'all can see it. I'll be back. Well, I'll just edit out what I ain't using. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more videos to make today. I usually make my videos on the same day in batches, and then I schedule them to be shown at different hours. So that's easier on me that way. And in the background, y'all see my daughter's baby shower gift. It's one of those buggy car seat thingamajigs. I'm glad when people come get all this stuff. Everybody's stuff comes to my house. So time one, pick up a batch of boxes. Here comes somebody else's stuff. Because people don't tend to steal stuff off my porch that the UPS man leaves, or so everything comes here. My house is starting to look like a warehouse. Okay, this is taking a while. And in the meanwhile, I'm fixing some smoked jerk wings. And I'm doing a video for that too. And after they get through smoking, then I'm going to put them in the air fryer so I can make them crispy. So as long as I can get the good taste I'm looking for, I don't mind the extra step of cooking. Sort of like sous vide cooking. It's two-step cooking. It's another wig, y'all. It's called Woody. It's by Sister Wig. I'm liking the short bobs. I got my left side part I love. I got to clean up. I got stuff all on my table. I got everything everywhere. I'm anxious to show y'all. Oh. See that? And then this little tray there is going to dump the ice cubes it just made into this ice basket. Okay. Scoops. See that? And there's a sensor on each side of this ice maker. One there and one on this side somewhere. And it triggers it to stop making ice. So I'm going to put this ice in a bag. Okay. I'm going to put this ice in the bag. Scoop that comes with it. Well, y'all see the ice. Trying to get it done before it melts. Somebody told me that when they put that ice in the freezer, it all clumps together. Well, that's why I use a bag, because some of this ice is wet. So when it refreezes, it's going to clump together. So I'll show you what I do. Okay, now close it so we continue making ice. Twist this bag and secure it with a clamp. Put it in the freezer, and when it freezes, it's going to clump together. So I just bang it against the counter, and that'll break up the ice. And these are like bullet-shaped ice cubes. Okay, so that's my demo video for this iKitch portable ice maker. And like I said, they are sold out, y'all, and they don't know when they're gonna get any more in. So I put a link in my description box to one that's very similar to it, since they ain't got no more of this brand, but it works good. It works. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bye.